Hi family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you the new way I discovered of using rice water on my hair, which give me this fluffy texture to my hair. My hair is feeling very soft and not stiff as before the way in which I used to use rice water. Even when I'm combing my hair, the comb is just gliding through my hair. As you guys know, I normally use my fingers to detangle, but I decided to use my wide tooth comb just to get all the tangles out, and it was just a breeze detangling my hair. If you are new here and not familiar with my channel, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In 2016, I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata. So since then, I started to make up my own products, my DIY natural ingredients to grow my daughters and myself hair out. So I've been using rice water for a long time now. If you look at my older videos, you will see that I've been using rice water on my hair. But the problem, I was not using it on my hair the right way. That's why I started to get the stiffness, the hardness from rice water. But I also love the way it was responding to my hair growth. Now, when it comes to using rice water, you don't need any specific measurement for that, but I'm just using 1 cup of rice. And then just make sure that you also clean your rice properly before doing your rice water treatment. If you are not using black rice, which is very high in antioxidant, then you can use any type of white rice. It doesn't matter which type. And then I went in with 3 cups of water. And then after that, I'm going in and doing the rice water washing. This is a secret that I learned from the Yao women. Doing this rice water washing is very important. I would recommend that you do not skip it. Because when you are pressing on the rice like that, you are transferring all the vitamins and nutrients from the rice into the rice water. After that, then you have to go in with something citrus. I'm going in with my orange peeling. You can use whatever you have on hand, but my orange peeling just worked great for me. And then make sure that you also put in your rice in a tight container because you're going to be doing the fermentation process. If that's the way you choose to use rice water on your hair, there are other ways for you to use rice water. You can just make your rice water, leave it in for a few minutes, maybe 30 minutes, an hour, and then you can use it. But I'm doing the fermentation process, so I allow my rice to sit in a dark place for 3 days. After that, I just strain it and transfer it into my spray bottle. So this is the fermentation process, and this way is very effective. The longer the rice sit, the better it becomes. Ingredients we will be needing for today's wash day is very simple. It's just few ingredients. I've been using rice water for a long time now, so I have experience on it. And when I started using rice water, I would use rice water along with a shampoo, and I noticed that it make my hair a little bit stiff when I do that. Nowadays I love to go in with a cold wash instead of like a shampoo. So for my cold wash, I will be using the Camilla Rose Nourishing Cold Wash. After we rinse our cold wash out, this cold wash is just to cleanse our hair and also make our hair soft instead of a shampoo stripping everything out from our hair. And then we'll go in with our rice water treatment. We'll leave the rice water treatment on, and then we'll apply our deep condition on our hair. For our deep condition, I'm going in with the Camilla Rose Restorative Deep Condition. And then I will also be adding in my S Secrets Growth Oil to help with extra moisture. Now, the good thing about rice water, even after you apply it to your hair and you wash it out, the treatment still stays on your head and your scalp. You still get the nourishment from it. So do not worry which order that you are using your rice water treatment. Just know that even if you shampoo it out, your hair is still going to benefit from the treatment. But this is the way I use my rice water treatment in case you want to try this way. If you are someone who have high porosity hair, then you can try this method. If you are low porosity, I would say try using rice water at least once a month, because many people with low porosity, they complain how bad of a experience they have with rice water. So let me just show you guys exactly how I will be applying this treatment on my hair in the various steps, and then you can just watch while I just play some music. After applying the cold wash to my hair, I massage it in properly just to also make sure I'm cleaning my scalp thoroughly and also my hair. And then I just want to rinse it out. I'm now coming to apply my rice water treatment and also my deep condition treatment. But before doing that, I'm just transferring our rice water from our regular spray bottle to my new spray bottle that I'm so much in love with. This is a 360 spray bottle, and I love the way that it sprays evenly on my hair. My company now carry that, so make sure you check it out. And then I'm just going in and applying my growth oil to my deep condition treatment. And after that, I will start to apply the rice water on my hair and my scalp. Rice water is a very popular hair growth treatment that is floating around the internet. But just in case if you don't know about it, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about rice water. It was first discovered by the Yao women. They had extremely long and beautiful hair, and they used rice water on their hair. From my research, rice water is very high in antioxidants. It also consists of minerals and vitamins. It also consists of something called inositol. Rice water is great if you want to reduce your hair fall. It also aids in hair growth. The amino acid present in rice water helps to regenerate your hair and also give you faster hair. Rice water contains vitamin B, C, and E, which further help in hair growth. After applying the rice water to that section, I just let the rice water sit in for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm now going in with my deep condition treatment and applying it over the rice water without rinsing the rice water out. So I'm just going to repeat the same step on my entire hair until I'm done, and then I will just cover it up with my shower cap, and then I will deep condition my hair for an hour. After, I will rinse out my rice water treatment plus my deep condition treatment, and then I will style my hair. Okay, family, so this is the rice water routine that been working great for my daughter and myself. This is just a microwave deep condition hat. You just throw it into the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes and then you put it on your hair. And this is how my hair is looking after. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.